No noise, just work unseen in between. Silence shaped me in a frame. No fame, no fame. Me build when nobody watch. Real notch, late night thought, early grind. Discipline mind, me nah announce every plan. Action stand. Silence filter fake applause. Clear cause me hear me own voice without crowd. Stand proud, foundation laid without sound. Solid ground, built from silence. Strong and deep, roots key. Built from silence. Calm and sure, enjoy. Me let results speak for me name, no claim. Progress quiet but undeniable. Reliable. Me stack effort day by day. Hidden way. When light shine from what me built, no guilt. Me earned every single stone on me wall. Silence teach me who me be. Set me free. Built from silence, firm and true. Built from silence, rise and stand. Oh, come on. From quiet sky to solid fall. Where that start? Nah, nah, nah. Roots stretch slow beneath the ground. Silent sound. Time bless what patience grow. We know nature never hurry her hand. Perfect plan. Seed sleep long before it rise. Wise eyes. Me nah force fruit before it's time. Natural nine. Rushing crack what meant fi last. Learn past. Me respect unseen progress face. Hidden yes. Depth develop far from sight. In a mind, roots don't rush. Them go deep, promise key. Roots don't rush. Steady grow, let them know. Me build life like ancient tree. Legacy, storm shade branch, but trunk hold firm. Confirm, me patience sharpen me defense. Confidence, growth invisible still expand. Understand, me nah envy pro them quick. Cheap trick. When harvest season finally call, we stand tall. Fruit heavy here for ride. Me pass for read the sign, them care. No fear. Every move weighed and aligned. Peace of mind. Wisdom over speed every time. Prime. Wisdom over speed, calm sight, true light. Me see many blaze del burn out fast, skip past. Me pace allow me flame endure, pure. Patience sharpen intuition, sense defense. When pressure shout hurry up, me slow up. Clarity born in quiet space, winning race. Fast may always mean advance. Wisdom stance. Wisdom over speed, step sure, secure. Wisdom over speed, long run, well done. Na 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 na. Oh no 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 no. Me arrive well, not just quit. That's the trick. Na 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 na. Oh na na na. Fire burn deep, but me face still cool. In a rule. Ocean calm, volcano core. Kid and roar. Still waters must be flame within. Quiet skin. Me carry fire, them carry silent speed. Energy pile up in me spine. Disciplined. Me now waste spark one ego show. Me know true flame burn, controlled and slow. In a glow. Emotion sharp, but me steer the wheel. Balance feel. Me plan move long before me act. Strategic fact. First shot test, but me pulse stay even. Well seasoned. Each channeled into forward drive. Force alive. Fire inside, calm outside. Perfect ride. Fire inside, steady flame, no shame. Fire inside, never wild, well styled. We ambition loud, but me mouth stay closed. Composed. Late night grind when street asleep. Promise key. Me fuel desire with patience. Focus hard. Win moment right, me step precise. No dice. Calm exterior, hide me blaze. Amaze. Me not burn breach. Fish out thumbing. Long day. Mastered fire, create light. Non-fried. Fire inside, come outside. Truth reside. Fire inside, hide me way every day. Still conscious. Eternal.
na na na, da 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 ya da, ay ay ay. When the morning first appear, throne of dawn is drawing near. Every ray a golden fire, throne uplift the spirit higher. Babylon kingdom fade away, throne of dawn declare the day. Every color pure and bright, throne of dawn reveal the light. Prophet chant with voice so strong, throne of dawn correct the wrong. Every judgment bold and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Night is gone, no more disguise, throne of dawn before our eyes. Every step a sacred flame, throne exalt your holy name. Ah, ba la 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 la, ah la la, ba la 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 la, ba la 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 la. People gather on the plain, throne of dawn break every chain. Songs of freedom fill the air, throne of dawn is standing there. No more silence, no more war, throne of dawn open door. Every nation side by side, throne of dawn remove the pride. Aye. Ba da 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 da, ba da da, ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da. Fish are cast upon the sea, throne of dawn bring destiny. Farmer till the blessed ground, throne of dawn spread peace around. Teach us speak with wisdom true, throne of dawn shine ever new. Babylon throne collapse and fall, throne of dawn outshine them all. Wa da da da, wa da 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 da, wa da da da, wa da 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 da, wa da 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 da, wa da da. Warrior kneel the weapon down, throne of dawn bring healing crown. Every scar and every tear, throne of dawn remove the fear. Children laugh and elders sing, throne of dawn crown your king. Glorious fire, bold and free, throne of dawn eternity. Everlasting morning flame, throne of dawn remain the same. Never fading, never gone, throne of dawn keep burning on. Every sunrise sing again, throne of dawn remove the pain. Sacred kingdom strong and true, throne of dawn for me and you. Rise, rise, shining flame, throne of dawn exalt your name. Glow, glow, morning bright, throne of dawn keep holy light. Sing, sing, bold and long, throne of dawn the righteous song. Throne of dawn, pure and strong, guide the people. Da 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 da, ba da 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 da, ba da 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 da, da 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 da, ba da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da, da 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 da. No, 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 Zion is higher man. Morning break with holy flame. Zion sunrise in your name. Darkness flee, no shadow stay. Light of Zion fill the day. Every dawn a chance we grow. Every seed a blessing so. Babylon night can't overcome.
all them do. From the ghetto to the field, Zion's son the truth revealed. No chain strong enough to hold. Zion fire brighter than gold. Every man and woman sing. Zion's son a holy king. It heal the wound, it dry the tear. Zion's son forever near. Warm the heart, restore the soul. Zion light will make us whole. From east to west, from north to south. Zion flame in every mouth. From age to age, still shining bright. Zion's sun, eternal light. Shine, shine, Zion flame, Zion flame. Rise forever in Jah name. Every morning new begun. Zion rise like morning sun. Zion rising bright and high. Paint the earth and paint the sky. Shine forever, never done. Zion bright like morning sun. Glory, glory, day begun. Zion rise, the chosen one. Oh, yo, yo. Rasta is Zion, meditate your mind. Wow. Across the canyon, wide and deep, bridges rise where shadows creep. Made of mercy, built by grace, bridges link the human race. Step by step, the path is clear. Bridges carry us from fear. No more borders, no divide. Bridges shine on every side. Crafted not with iron stone. Bridges grow from love alone. Every pillar carved in peace. Bridges let the hatred cease. No oppression cross the span. Bridges lift the heart of man. Every nation, hand in hand, bridges bind the broken land. Voices gather on the shore. Bridges call for something more. Songs of feeling, drums of fire. Bridges lift the spirit higher. Even stranger, once apart, bridges mend a broken heart. Every step a sacred vow. Bridges build a future now. Morning sun reveal the way. Bridges glow at break of day. Even storm cloud cannot hide. Bridges stand in holy pride. Babylon wall begin to fall. Bridges rise above it all. Every arch a song of light. Bridges guide us through the night. Aye, 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 work a hand in work a hand. Bridges stretch across the land. Carved by wisdom, shaped by time. Bridges chant the
the righteous rhyme. Through the valley, over sea, bridges guard our destiny. Every step a melody, bridges hum eternity. When the weary seek a rest, bridges lead them to the best. No more sorrow, no more chains, bridges wash away the pains. Generations cross the span, bridges strengthen every man. Glorious flaming shining mind, bridges keep the way out bright. Everlasting tall and free, bridges mark our victory. From the mountain to the coast, bridges hold the Holy Ghost. No more silence, no despair, bridges prove that love is here. Shining beacon, bold and true, bridges always carry through. Step, step, side by side, bridges and the foolish pride. Rise, rise, shining flame, bridges glorify your name. Walk, walk, don't look back, bridges lead along the track. Sing, sing, voices strong, bridges guide us all along. Bridges of light, tall and free, carry the people to destiny. Never breaking, never fall, bridges connect the world for all. Forever glowing, strong and bright, bridges shine your holy light. Through every trial, storm and fight, bridges guide us into night. Bridges of mercy, bold and true, open forever for me and you. Zion deep in the jungle. Zion deep in the jungle. Lightning carve across the sky, crown of storms is lifted high. Thunder roll with holy sound, crown of storms shake all around. Babylon throne begin to bend, crown of storms bring judgment end. Every cloud a fiery flame, crown exalt your mighty name. Upon the hill, crown of storms reveal your will. Every strike a holy word, crown of storms cannot be blurred. Darkness scatter, chains undone, crown of storms bring morning sun. Every roar a sacred sign, crown of storms declare divine. Voices chant across the land, crown of storms strike Babylon hand. Walls of pride them fall apart, crown of storms touch every heart. Kings them tremble, lies exposed, crown of storms keep truth composed. Even night cannot conceal, crown of storms forever real. Farmer kneel upon the ground, crown of storms and rain around. Fields of hunger start to grow. mercy flow. No more famine, no more pain. Crown of storms restore again. Every harvest bold and free. Crown of storms bring victory. Generation singing on. Crown of storm fulfill the law. No corruption hide the face. Crown of storms bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms declare the day. Gatheration singing ah. Crown of storm fulfill the law. No corruption hide the face. Crown of storms bring holy grace. Nations bow and nations pray. Crown of storms reveal the way. Babylon pride must fade away. Crown of storms declare the day. Crash, crash upon the flame. Crown of storms exalt your name. Shine, shine, lightning true. Crown of storms protect the crew. Roll, roll, heavy sound. Crown of storms shake the ground. Crown of storms fierce and high. Judgment blaze across the sky. Never fading, never gone. Crown of storms keep rolling on. Forever roaring, bold and bright. Crown of storms shine your light. Strike the darkness, break the chain. Crown of storms bring peace again.
Na na na, the master reggae of Zion. Heal the people, yeah man. Nightfall come, the fire blaze. Drum and chalice chant of praise. Circle wide, the people sing. Glory rise to Zion King. Smoke ascend, the spirit fly. Drum beat echo across the sky. Babylon system fade away. Drum and chalice rule today. Every hand upon the skin. Drum beat shake from deep within. Every draw a sacred flame. Chalice chant never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul. Make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear. Drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high. Reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand. It build the love across the land. From first beat till the last. Drum of Zion, hold we fast. Me see the elder close them eye. Feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway. Learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight. Drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light. Keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drum still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep trodding on. It tell the world we shall be free. When love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta loud and clear. Beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast. Carry the message that will last. From root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can steal the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat will always flow.
Zion Reggae inna the house, yeah man. Oh, deep in the night, under moonlight glow, Nyabinghi drum beat steady and slow. Call the people from near and far, guide them home where the prophets are. Every rhythm tell Jah's story true. Ancient voice that carry through. Drum of Rasta never cease. Beat the sound of love and peace. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure. Beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate. Break the chain and crush the hate. From the hilltop down to shore, drum beat echo forevermore. It call the youth, it wake the old. Tell them all what the prophets told. Each vibration heal the soul. Make the wounded spirit whole. Babylon tremble when it hear. Drum of Jah is drawing near. Under the stars and early sun, Nyabinghi chant just begun. With every strike, a prayer rise high, reach Jah throne up in the sky. It join the heart, it join the hand, it build the love across the land. From first beat till the last, drum of Zion, all we fast. Me see the elder close them eye, feel the spirit passing by. Me see the youth begin to sway, learn the ancient Rasta way. Drum teach patience, drum teach fight, drum teach wrong from what is right. Every beat a guiding light, keep the flame of Jah in sight. When the night winds start to cool, drums still teach Jah holy school. From dawn to dusk, from dusk to dawn, Nyabinghi keep treading on. It tell the world we shall be free, when love and truth is all we see. Drum of Rasta, loud and clear, beat till Babylon disappear. Beat slow, beat fast, carry the message that will last from root to crown, from sea to sky. Nyabinghi drum will never die. No chain, no fear can still the hand. Drum of Jah will rule the land. Drum of Nyabinghi, strong and pure, beat for the truth that will endure. Carry the chant to Zion gate, break the chain and crush the hate. From mountain high to valley low, Nyabinghi beat will always flow.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah, man.
Burning bright from ancient days, fire light Jah holy ways. Cleanse the heart, refine the soul, make the broken spirit whole. Every spark of truth reveal, every flame a wound that heal. Fire of Rasta never die, lift the chanting to the sky. Fire of Rastafari, blaze so strong, burn away the hate and wrong. Like the path for we to try, keep we walking close to God. From the hills to city street, fire warm the people's feet. It called the youth fi rise and stand, hold the truth in every hand. It shine like gold, it burn like sun. Tell the people we are one. No frost, no cold can dim its glow. Fire of Jah forever show. Babylon tremble when it see fire blazing Aye, Zion, reggae, man. Aye, Zion, reggae, man. Me feel the flame start grow deep in my soul below. Jah whisper in my ear, no fear. Me like the match of truth since me youth. Me walk through fire long, still me strong. Them test me heart and soul, but Jah control. Me see the system crumble down, still me wear me crown. Every spark me keep alive, Jah help me survive. Me burn for freedom, burn for right, me shine me light. No evil can cool me flow, me still grow. Every scar a lesson learned, every bridge me burn. Me chant the flame of peace, still hate decrease. Fire within me soul, make me whole. No storm can out the flame. Jah call me name. Fire within burn bright. Guide me through the night. Write your seat inside. Jah me guide. Me pass through darkness, yes, but me still bless. Me heart no turn to stone. Me stand alone, me spark ignite the crowd. Me sing loud, them try to hold me down, still me wear Jah crown. Me see the youth them lost. Me bear the cost, me teach them light, not gun. Fight with sun, the flame fi heal the land, not destroy man. The chamber pure and true like morning dew. Me fire return, I'll burn. Every soul return. Jah wine on the flame, forever sing. Ha ha. Fire within me soul, make me whole. No storm can out the flame. Jah call me name. Fire within burn bright. Guide me through the night. Righteous heat inside. Jah me guide. So me blaze till me day is done. Fire of the sun. Keep it bright, my friend. No end. Fire within. Fire within. Fire within me soul. Jah bless the world and the people, yeah man. Me gaze pon the mountain peak, truth me seek, wine whisper through the leaves. Ancient beliefs, me heart strong, me mind free, like the sea. Me climb through storm and cold, story told, every scar me carry proud. Say it loud, them try to push me down. Me wear me crown, faith higher than the sky. Me never die. Me see the wicked boast them gain, still vain. Them no built on righteous sand. It can't stand. Me plant love deep in a soil. True tile, mountains rise through Jah grace. Light up the place. Mountains will rise, hearts will grow. Through Jah light we overflow. Mountains will rise, faith so strong. Jah carry we all along. Me sing for the humble and weak, truth them seek, every voice in harmony. Unity, the power no come from gold, but story told. Mountains move when we believe. Jah achieve. Me look cross valley wide, hope inside. Each sunrise I promise new. Blessings true, even when the rain fall hard. Jah guard, mountains stand tall and fear. Love everywhere. Me no bow, me no fall. Jah guide all. Me climb higher through the fight. See the light. Every struggle shape me soul, make me whole. Mountains will rise, hearts will grow.
the power, love the key. Set we free. Me reach the top, me give thanks from the ranks. Jah mountains stand eternal high under the sky. Aye, 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 aye. Smoke ganja and Zion reggae. Aye, aye. Me close me eyes, me hear the drum. Jah kingdom come. In a whisper Rasta song, where me belong. Light shine bright on my face, Jah embrace. Me lift his spirit strong, walk Jah road long. Me soul eternal flame, no shame. Every trial me survive, keep love alive. The world may turn cold, but me heart bold. Me see the greed take hold, but just story told. No silver chain me wear, freedom me share. Me chant for every man free unity. Me meditate on the hill, Jah will. Rasta soul eternal, life universal, love never done. Under the sun, Rasta soul divine, forever shine. Me chant for peace and light through the night. Me standing at the circle strong, sing Jah song. Me heart beat like Nyabinghi drum. Blessings come. Me trod the path of grace in every place. Me heal through word and sound. Love all around. Me soul no fear no end. Life transcend. Each breath me take for Jah. Pure hallelujah. Spirit never fade. Jah foundation laid. Me dwell in higher state. True Jah gate. Rasta soul eternal, life universal, love never done. Under the sun, Rasta soul divine, forever shine. Me chant for peace and light through the night. Me fade into Jah breeze. Soul at ease, Rasta soul eternal flame, forever the same. Aye, aye, aye. Come on people, let the Babylon system fall, your man. At the edge where sky meets sea, book of horizon speak to me. Pages wide as morning flame, book inscribe Jah holy name. Every dawn a chapter new, book reveal what we must do. No corruption touch the line, book of horizon law divine. Shining sign, book connect the heart with time. Babylon ink cannot erase, book of horizon, truth and grace. Every symbol, bold and pure, book of wisdom still endure. Every sunrise mark a key, book unlock eternity. Storm may rage, but it remain. Book of horizon, break the chain. Every letter flame of light, book reveal what's just and right. Sing to soothe her child. Book of horizon, voices mild. Every tale a seed of peace. Book let mercy never cease. No more sorrow, no more war. Book of horizon, open door. Even stranger learn to see. Book of love set spirit free. Chant upon the stage, book of horizon, turn the page. Every nation find the line, book of justice still divine. Never silent, never still. Book of horizon, speak your will. From the desert to the sea, book of truth for you and me. Generation rise and pray. Book of horizon light the way. Every corner, every land, book is written by John. Glorious wisdom, bold and bright. Book of horizon shine the light. Everlasting, strong and sure. Book of truth will still endure. Turn, turn, page of flame. Book exalt the holy name. Rise, rise, vision clear. Book of horizon always near. Speak, speak, wisdom true. Book of horizon guide way through. Vast and wide, keep the people true inside. Never ending, never gone. Book of truth still carry on. Forever shining, bold and free. Book reveal eternity. Across the mountain, through the night. Book of horizon, keep the light. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, man, give me the paper, yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Me sit by the river bed, where peace never end. Water whisper soft and low. Tell me things me need to know. Each ripple speak truth again. Wash away the pain. Hear Jah call, me heart clean like crystal stream. Flow with dream, no riches, no gold me chase. Me live by grace, river of wisdom guide me down. Lead me home, me see the wicked thirst for gain. Them drinking vain, them no know just spirit flow. From long ago, each drop a message true. From me to you, river never run dry. Just supply, river of wisdom carry with soul. Wash the burden, make we whole. River of wisdom never still. Flow through life by Jah. oceans deep. Truth me keep every wave a holy sign. Divine light, me plant me roots in humble ground. Hear the sound, birds sing praises pan the breeze. Me find ease, river whisper ancient lore. Me learn more, wisdom flood me heart and mind. Peace me find, me no rush, me no race. Me move with grace, each step me take, me feel secure. Love pure, river flow, eternal sound. Keep me strong, river of wisdom carry we soul. Wash the burden, make we whole. River of wisdom never still. Flow through life by Jah will. River of wisdom guide we through. All things new flow from Zion down to sea. Oh, yeah, forever free. Me give thanks for the lessons learned. Heart still burn. River whisper soft and kind. Eternal peace me find. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Na 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 ganja and reggae, yeah, man. Me rise with the morning breeze, cool wine through the trees. Me heart clean, me spirit high. Light of the sun paint up the sky. Jah voice echo through me chest, guide me soul to do the best. Them build walls and claim the crown, but righteousness can't drown. Me walk barefoot on holy ground. Hear the ancient sound. Each drum beat tell me tell. True struggle me prevail. Light from Zion, strong and wide. Keep the darkness from inside. Missy mothers cry for bread. Children sleep without no bed. Still the roots remain unshaken. Spirit never forsaken. No matter the trial me face, me move in Jah grace. Every storm bring clearer view. Love still shine through. Roots of the sun grow deep in a way. Light for the blind, truth for the free. Roots of the sun never fade away. Bless up the night, bring the day. Me chant for the youth them last, guide them cross. Me sing for the sister who cry, wipe her eye. Every melody heal the land by Jah hand. The roots still strong beneath the sun. Righteous stand. Me no seek vanity or fame. Me chant Jah name through thunder, through storm. Me keep heart warm. When Babylon crumble down, Jah wear the crown. Roots of the sun still blaze forever in praise. Forever in praise. Me no fear the fire, me no fear the night. Me walk in Jah light, every shadow fade away. When love holds sway, truth is a river pure and free. Flow through you, flow through me. Roots of the sun, roots of the sun. Roots of the sun never fade away. Bless up the night, bring the day. Roots of the sun grow deep in a way. Light for the blind, truth for the free. Roots of the sun never fade away. Bless up the night, bring the day. Ra na 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 na. Jah love always near. Roots of the sun, forever strong. Keep the world in a song. So when darkness cloud your view, remember Jah light in you. Roots of the sun never die. It live and amplify.
Zion reggae, yeah man.
Me tune up the drum and bass, feel the place. Reggae rhythm fill the air, love everywhere. Freedom sound for the youth to hear. Jah draw near. Me see them rise against the tide, still survive. Each beat me play, bring life, cut through strife. Babylon wall start fi crack, no turning back. Sound of freedom set we free eternally. Me chant fi the ghetto child, keep them mild. Teach them strength in every note, lift the boat. No gun, no hate, no chain, break the pain. Sound of freedom blaze the way to brighter day. Yeah. Sound of freedom, loud and clear, echo through the atmosphere. Sound of freedom, pure and true. Jah melody carry you. Me sing for the mother and the father too. Keep them true. Every cry turn melody, unity. Music heal, music mend, love transcend. Freedom sound no fade, it's a holy parade. Me drop me verse like fire rain, burn out pain. Every soul start fi sway, night to day. Sound of freedom never cease, bring we peace. The rhythm march through time, so divine. When Babylon try silence we, them can't see. Music born from struggle deep, no sleep. Freedom song keep heart alive.